Good morning this Thursday, the 20th of April. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street had yet another lacklustre session overnight as investors continue to assess first quarter earnings results as earnings season ramps up into full swing now. The Dow Jones Industrials Index lost 0.23%, the S&P 500 fell 0.01%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 0.03%. Netflix and Morgan Stanley headlined the results released on Wednesday. Netflix shares fell 3.2% after the streaming giant pushed back plans to crack down on password sharing, but for the quarter, Netflix beat analyst estimates on earnings per share. Morgan Stanley shares rose 0.7% despite the big bank reporting weaker than expected margins for investment banking, wealth and asset management. This earnings season, investors are looking out for slowing earnings growth and signs of weakening demand, likely to hit corporate profits in the second half of FY23 as the Fed continues its rate hike path toward the end of the tightening cycle. Over in Europe, markets closed mixed on Wednesday as investors digested the latest CPI data out of the UK. UK CPI, or inflation data, came in at 10.1% for March, down from 10.4% in February, which was well above economists' expectations of a fall to 9.8% in March, in a sign that inflation remains stubbornly high in the UK. Data out on Tuesday showed wages growth in the UK slowed by less than expected in the 3 months to March, which may also encourage the Bank of England to continue raising rates at the next monetary policy meeting. Germany's DAX rose 0.08% on Wednesday, the French CAC added 0.21%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 fell 0.13%. On the local bourse yesterday, it was a muted day on the ASX, with the key index closing just 0.07% higher as strong gains for materials stocks were offset by sharp losses in the consumer discretionary sector. Gold stocks did most of the heavy lifting yesterday amid a rise in the price of the precious commodity on Wednesday, while Telix Pharmaceuticals was the top performing stock for the second straight session after releasing record-setting results to start the week. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open 0.09% lower following the lacklustre sessions on global markets overnight. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 2.26% lower at $79.03 a barrel. Gold is down 0.51% today at $1,994.70 an ounce, and iron ore is up 2.54% at $121 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 67 US cents, 90.43 Japanese yen, 53.93 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased its price target on RMA Global from 20 cents per share to 21 cents per share and maintain a speculative buy rating on the company amid the digital real estate marketing company's success in penetrating the large US market, including US claimed profiles growing to 250,000, up 6.4% quarter on quarter, while US reviews increased 97% year on year. And Bell Potter has downgraded its price target on Frontier Digital Ventures from $1.23 to $1.05, but maintain a speculative buy rating on the company following the company completing a capital raise and the headwinds faced through difficult trading conditions in Pakistan. And that's all for this morning. Have a wonderful Thursday and, as always, happy investing.